Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today I am taking you with us to a nearby restaurant and spending some special time with Jonas for his birthday. Let's go. It's our family tradition to let whoever's birthday it is gets to pick the restaurant. And so we just let Jonas go ahead and pick. He loves Red Robin. And so we're gonna head there in a minute. Plus, we can do some early voting. So it's a restaurant evening with a purpose. Not sure if I showed you our new welcome mat. Actually, Paul really wanted that for the front door. He is so happy and it looks so great. And you can hear all the little kids on our block playing. Okay, we're almost about to leave. So what is one of your favorite things to eat at Red Robin?
Oh, Pig Out Tavern Double.
Tavern Double. And do you want to tell everybody how old you're going to be?
17.
No. 13. And look at, he's practically taller than me.
I think I am.
Oh my gosh. So actually his birthday is in a couple of days. And we're going to be actually spending time with the FRAM.
Come to the live.
Oh,
it's gonna be my birthday.
Yeah, it'll be the live on his birthday on the live, so that'll be so fun. Okay, let's go in. So I get the Red Tavern. I already took some bites. And Ezzy, what'd you get?
Chicken nuggets and fries.
The chicken strips. And then Jonas, he got the Pig Out, which has like bacon in it, right? And then Kobe got the same thing. Do you like their burgers, Kobe? Okay, and then Paul, he gets a yummy one.
The Whiskey River.
Whiskey River, you want to show it? Oh, so it's got like barbecue sauce. Does it have like onion strings?
Yeah, these like fried onion straws.
Oh, yum yum. And do they have a good barbecue tasting sauce?
Whiskey.
So what'd you think of the meal?
It was really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
How come they didn't sing happy birthday to you?
Oh, because I didn't want them to.
I know, he's like, pay and go, Mom. Let's go pay and go.
I don't
So
like them.
these guys are gonna go walk around the mall with older brother. And Paul and I are gonna go vote.
Or just in case.
We're gonna go vote. Woo-hoo. So here is the voting tent. And the line is so long. So this is the early voting line. This is just so awesome that we get to be out here early voting. We're socially distanced. Paul and I are ready. We have our early ballots. Like, everything's marked and we're ready to go, so it won't take too long. So this is really, really gonna be great. So there's so many people in line, and it's like only the first week of early voting where it's begun, so pretty important. So don't forget to vote. Hi guys. What'd you guys do while we were voting?
Well, we got a switch.
What? Why'd you get a switch? Why'd you get a switch, Ezzy?
I didn't get one.
But that happy face on your mask is looking pretty extra big. Extra big smiles.
Me and Kobe are sharing it.
So hey everyone, it's been a couple of days. We've had a lovely dinner with Jonas, but today is his actual birthday. And so it is also Saturday, so we're getting ready to go on the live, in which he said that he would go on the live with us. So that'll be super fun that he gets to spend a few minutes with us on the live. And then after that, we're going to have to get ready to make his cupcakes.
And then, or they can't see who you are. Anyway, we got booed this week.
Yeah, so we'll have to reciprocate.
So we probably, Ines probably needs to make some treats.
I just finished the live and I'm just so happy that Jonas got to be with us and actually wanted to stay longer than the 13 minutes. At first he was like, I'm only going for a few minutes and then that's it. And we're like, okay, how about 13? And So I'm just glad that he stayed the whole time. So that was so fun. And so I just wanted to thank who gave us a super chat too for him. That was really, really nice. Okay, so you can see back here, I just made some cupcakes. So we're going over to the Phillips and it's gonna be a fight night. So I thought we could take some birthday cupcakes to honor Jonas and Danny. So I have some strawberry here and I have little brownie ones. So on the brownie ones, I made nothing from scratch this time, you guys, but I will tell you how I enhanced it. On the brownie ones, we're just gonna put some cream cheese frosting, and Jonas likes Heath. So we're gonna put some Heath on those crumbles. And then on the strawberry ones, I bought some rainbow chip because I remember that Danny liked the sprinkles. So I thought it would be fun to have it in the frosting. So to make those even better, and I didn't follow completely the directions, I added, instead of oil, I added butter, melted butter, so equal amounts. And instead of water, I added heavy whipping cream. So you want to add more fat into the recipe, and we kind of took off the top on that one and tried it, and it's delicious. So you can kind of taste there's more like flavor, and there's it's just not like a box, so it's good. And so these ones were just made from a box as well. So we're just gonna frost and get those ready, and then I'm gonna make really quickly some beef and cheddar sliders, which I'll show you super fast. Okay, look at these yummies. Those are brownies topped with Heath. Delicious. I need to get them in the fridge just to kind of let them set. And we need to start making some beef and cheddars. So to get started really quickly on these barbecue beef and cheddar rolls, we're just going to make the sauce first. So I have here a stick of butter, and then a couple of tablespoons of the brown sugar, and then I'm gonna put also a tablespoon of the Worcestershire, and just kind of get that going. Now this is gonna be the top, and this is gonna be so good. You could add Dijon and poppy seeds. I didn't have any poppy seeds, so just gotta make it the way it comes sometimes. Okay, so that's gonna be the nice little topping. Woo! Now let's get the meat and the cheese ready. Okay, so I have my package of the sweet Hawaiian rolls, which I had to write don't eat on them because I know my kids. And I got some roast beef from the deli, and then I have, of course, the medium cheddar. And then we're gonna be using Sweet Baby Ray's. I would have actually really liked to have made my barbecue sauce because I love that sweet barbecue sauce, but this is gonna be just fine. So just kind of carefully slice that in half. I am such a fan of these rolls. They are so good. Okay, so here we go. Kind of keeping them together. We are gonna carefully put them now into the pan. So now they're in my 9 by 13 pan. They're trying to fall apart here. We're going to go ahead and put some of that barbecue sauce onto the bread. Just a little bit. Let me get a butter knife. Let's spread that. Let me know in the comments if you've made this before. I'll link the recipe below, so in case you haven't ever made them, you'll have something to go and look back to. This yummy roast beef. I have a lot here, so you probably don't even need 3/4 of a pound, maybe more like 1/2 of a pound. Just trying to cover every part. Okay. And then the same thing with the cheese. Okay, so like pretty much 3 on the top, it looks like 3 on the bottom. I'm a fan of medium cheddar, but you could put mild if you'd prefer. Okay, so now we're going to, I should just put the rest on that. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I had so much roast beef left over, I'm just gonna, I'm not skimping. Ooh, yum, that's gonna be good. Okay, so then we're gonna put some more BBQ sauce on top. My husband, Paul, is such a fan of Sweet Baby Ray's. But I think he only likes the original. And then we're gonna get those toppers. So easy. And now we're just going to top it with this yumminess here. And oh yes, it's gonna make it nice and sticky and gooey. I thought I was gonna need, but I have a little brush that I thought I was going to need, but I don't. Okay, let's get that in the oven, 350 for the next 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, these just came out of the oven. You can see like the cheese is oozing right there on the side. Oh, Lanta. And it's gonna have like this sweet and savory taste to it. Plus, because this is barbecue, it's gonna have a great barbecue taste as well with the sauce. Oh, I'm just gonna kind of score them a little bit and then cover them up with some foil and we'll be ready to go. All right, it's the end of the night. Did you have a good day?
Yes.
Is it good to be a teenager?
Yes.
Oh! Did you like all the cupcakes and all the snacks that we had today?
Yes.
And did you like going on the live?
Yes.
They're all yeses, you guys. So I think he had a good day. So thanks so much for following us to the restaurant. We went and did the voting. We did the baking. We did the living. We did a lot for his birthday, for sure. So happy birthday, Jonas. Yay, he's a teenager and practically taller than me. So thanks for visiting the channel today. Give the video a thumbs up and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye.